Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share DIY plant stake ideas which you can create and decorate in your balcony garden. I made these cute little plant stake using waste material. So let's start with our first DIY. Here I am using small clay pot and a small size ball. Here I am making hole in this clay pot. Now here I am fixing this ball into the clay pot. Now here I am using plastic lid and making wing like shape, cutting it. Here I am going to create cute little honeybee, so coloring it with yellow and black color stripe. Here I am applying 2 to 3 layer of color to get a nice finishing. Here I have aluminium wire which is easily available in hardware store. Now making antenna and attaching it on the honeybee's head. Also here attaching these wings using aluminium wire. Here I am using sky blue shade of acrylic color to highlight the wings. Let's switch on to the next DIY. Here I am using small cardboard roll and also a wooden bead. Here I am going to make ladybug pattern. Here I am using paper straw and pasting it on the cardboard roll as shown in the video. Now coloring it with acrylic colors. Now in this third DIY, here I have plastic spoon and small size plastic ball. Here I am going to attach this spoon like ear of rabbit, using this pearl and making eyes from it. Here I have some plastic straw, stick of old painting brush, attaching these sticks to the art piece which we already created. Now here I have kids fruit toy. Here I am creating butterfly wings from thick plastic sheet. Also using white M-seal to do clay work. You can also use molded clay. Here I am going to create cute bird plant stake from waste diya. Here I am using white M-seal to do 3D work. Here I am using waste painting brush stick and attaching this bird to the stick. Let it dry for few hours. After drying it, I am going to color it with acrylic colors. In this last DIY, I am going to use waste pista shell to create beautiful lotus plant stake. Here I am using white M-seal and pasting pista shell on it like a flower shape. Here I am using bright pink color to color this flower. These all DIY are easy to create. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.